We need an orange. Remove the orange seeds. Take the orange juice. We need 2 lemons. Cut the lemons into 2 slices. Take the lemon juice. Cut the lemon peels into slices. Cut the orange peels into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Now take it in a saucepan. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. We need 1 apple. Cut the apple into slices. We need coriander leaf. Cut the coriander leaf into slices. Take the slices in a blender. Add orange peel and lemon peel boiled water. Add lemon juice. Add orange juice. Use blending machine to blend it well. Now take it in a jug. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days. And store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.